In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate cost estimate reports in CostMiner. First, let's begin by visiting the CostMiner website, a powerful tool often used in the construction industry for estimating and takeoff processes. You'll want to start by going to your web browser and navigating to the CostMiner homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a login button prominently displayed. Click on Login to CostMiner to get started. After you've successfully logged in, your next step is to locate your project. When you're signed in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where your active projects are listed. Find and click on the project you're currently working on. This is the foundation for generating your cost estimate report, as it draws all the necessary data from the insights you've gathered within that specific project. Now, before you can generate your report, ensure that you have completed the takeoff process. Once you've handled all the necessary takeoffs, you're ready to move on to creating a report. This step is crucial as it finalizes the estimating phase and prepares the data for reporting. Next, find and click on the Reports option. You'll typically find it in the navigation bar of your project page. Selecting this brings you to a new area of the software dedicated to creating various reports, thus giving you a comprehensive overview of your project's financial outline. As we delve deeper, you'll want to click on Rate Breakdown. This option is particularly useful as it generates a detailed breakdown of costs per item, allowing you to see precisely where your budget is being allocated. This feature is invaluable for maintaining transparency and ensuring accuracy in your estimates, providing clarity on how much each component of the project is anticipated to cost. Finally, to harness the full potential of your report, you can export it. Click on the Export button to select your preferred output format. CostMiner typically offers multiple formats, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs for further analysis or presentation. Once exported, you now have a comprehensive cost estimate report at your fingertips. This report can then be utilized for cost analysis, where you can compare the total projected costs against anticipated benefits or income to forecast potential profits. This crucial step allows you to evaluate the viability of a project thoroughly, aiding in strategic decision-making and ensuring that resources are allocated most efficiently. And there you have it, a complete guide to generating cost estimate reports in CostMiner from start to finish. By following these steps, you can effectively manage project costs and maintain a keen insight into the financial dynamics of your construction projects.